What is Compass Concierge? Compass Concierge gets you fronted for the cost of your home improvement services with no interest ever. Compass Concierge is the hassle-free way to sell your home faster and for a higher price with services like staging, flooring, painting, and more. Learn how Carlos Rodriguez can help you sell your home faster and for a higher price with Concierge. There are 4 distinct benefits when you work with us. Number 1, it's smart. Your Compass agent will help you determine which services can deliver the greatest return on your investment. 2, it's fast. The entire process is designed for speed, so that work can begin and your home can sell as quickly as possible. 3, it's transparent. You'll never have to worry about upfront cost or interest. And 4, it's easy. Your Compass agent will be right by your side through the entire process, advising you all the way. We take the worry and guesswork out of the process. Give us a call today at 925-302-9411 and visit us online. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you online.